Bilal from Pakistan is asking, Sham, why do you always recommend for new restaurant owners to have a simple two-side menus instead of having more than two sides? Why do you ask that? Why do you recommend that? And we're going to talk about that in 3, 2, 1. And here we go. Hello, everybody. My name is Sham. I'm in the community as a responsible restaurant owner. Since 2008, I've been helping and opening restaurants out of the Silicon Valley, California. And toward the end of 2017, I said, you know what? I'm just going to branch out and try to help as many future restaurant entrepreneurs and current restaurant owners in the trenches of hospitality. Bilal from Pakistan, thank you so much for reaching out, man. The reason behind the simple two-side menu item is very simple. Because it's simple two-side item, it is easier to track down what works or what does not. It also helps you a little bit master more how delicious every single item is. I go to so many different restaurants and they have so many different items and none of them is literally outstanding. None of them is actually outstanding. It is better to have a small menu where you master and every single item is delicious. It also will help you consolidate a little bit with your inventory and also just build your identity and make your restaurant a destination. It is extremely bad for first restaurants when they open and they really don't master all the cooking techniques, methods. They have to train new chefs, etc., etc. And and they don't master any of the dishes. They're just average in all of them, and average just does not cut it when it comes down to people's dining experience. So I hope that this answers the question. Please do check out the comment section. I always add some goodies in there. Do like, do subscribe, and remember, until we meet again, the secret ingredient is love, baby. It's love.